For breaking news, go to itiskitimes.co.za. Itiski TV, powered by World Sports Betting, itiskitimes.co.za. It's Amazulu nil, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Mdlalo Betway Premiership. Sundowns are top of the Betway Premiership. And then goes Golektela with 3 points against Amazulu. Making sure Sundowns will Golektela 6 points from Amazulu this season. They played a game at Loftus, Oganye Lucas Masterpieces Moripa Stadium earlier on in the season. But being a second leg, see Vala, see Songa, Betway Premiership. They played now 18 games. Abanye basadlale 16. There was a 16th game. Abanye basadlale 17. Man of the match game here Sundowns. Kulumane Ndamane. Well deserved.
Yeah, well deserved. I think he played very well, Shane.
Bosel, Marcelo Singela kuye mshwami. Man of the match sibonile. Marcelo Singela emdlalweni ubone njalo umdlalo namhlanje.
Right, Shane.
I'm okay. What's up, man?
No, right, Shane ngiyajabula mwana.
When are you okay?
Yeah, no, mina right, Shane.
All right.
100 mwana.
100.
Yeah, itubulisa amadoda la studio, Shane.
Yeah.
Yeah, Shane. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi game it was not easy for team efana neMamelodi Sundowns. It was a very interesting game, especially second half. But first half, coach Athazwane he came with a game plan yakhe. I understand ukuthi lento bekayenza kungana yenza, you know. He played ngama defender aw 5, 3 central defense. La khona ngibona uMayimile le pattern uzothi badlala 4-4-2. Kanti le 4-4-2 iba khona nje ukuthi bayibekile, but when they defend badonsa umdlalo ofana no Kicken Allen ku right back. Uyabuya uzodlala phakathi baba na 3 central defense. La khona balanda umdlali udlala ku right. Bamletha ku right winger abuye azodlala as a right as a full back. Okay, uma ungathi uyayibheka the way adlala ngakhona Shane bekazama ukuvala lama pockets. The more udlala nga 3 central defense uclose lama pockets awufuni ukustretcha kakhulu ukuthi mangabe babhitha leya opponent le right back or i left back uhana mangabe ukhuphukile ulahle position ukwazi ukushifta. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi abo Slager phakathi bebayi2 ene nabo uyabuya oyi1 uzodropa udropa kuphi uvala le line ekhona between bona nale defense yabo, so that ukuthi Sundowns ingakhona ukuthola lama pockets la khona sibone kubenzima for umdlalo ofana no Lyon ukuthi angakwazi ukudlala, but bebanendlela le bayenzayo ukuthi asilose shape Shane. Sibeke umdlalo ofana noNgwenya up front, ulandela umdlalo ofana no Xtn la khona angazange Xtn abonakala function, akazange function because of the way umqondo wabo ngakhona ukudefenda Shane. La no Hanamupa I think uvele kayi2 phela ukujump center ukuthi athi ufuna ukuattack kusho kona ukuthi kulela side labo la ka left bebangasebenzi kakhulu, basebenzisa le side elangapha ka right kakhulu ukuthi uRadebe asebenze kanzima Shane. That guy he worked very hard because kumele ukuthi maba defender uyazodlala right back, uma ba attacker uRadebe kumele ahambe ayodlala as a winger. So it was difficult because ngapha at least umdlalo ofana no Maqokolo huyo umdlali bekanikeza something ukuyojoina uNgwenya. They got one chance, one shot on target. La khona it was a chance for uNgwenya ukuthi beyangalivalela phakathi kakhulu, but wal chance straight one uRonweni good save for uRonweni ukuthi naye angabhayiziseki kulela bhola. So sibonile Sundowns I think first half ithola ama chances awu 3. La khona uTebza ba azamile ukuthatha ishot on target. It was a goal Shane uma ungayibheka, but leya deflection imncede kakhulu i-defense eAmazulu. Then ubheke futhi naleya chance yaka Lyon yenhloko it was yaka Ndamane I mean yenhloko it was a chance. So ngizamile ukubona ukuthi yini le engayenza Sundowns kuleya defense eAmazulu. No, the problem in baphusha abadlala in low block Shane, and uma badlala low block space behind the defense asikho la khona abo Lyon bazoyenza lawo marun. So ngiyacabanga game plan ya coach Athazwane imsebenzele kakhulu first half. Second half ubuyile la khona after 5-10 minutes ye second half uvelile Shane wabonisa ukuthi ngiyafuna ukuscore kuMamelodi Sundowns. Unfortunately abazange babe nenhlanhla. uMaqokolo he got a chance, sibabonile bazama ukusebenzisa la side la kaNdamane. Remember bekane yellow card uNdamane ile side ebekumele ngabe basebenzisa lona because yila kukhuphuka khona kakhulu Aubrey. Then obvious uNdamane ushiftela ka left because na first half bekadlala uma attacker adlala left back ashiya umdlalo ofana nobani and umdlalo ofana noKekane assista uJaden lapha la sibona uTebs adlala as 8 athatha lawo ma shot on target. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi coach Athazwane we apply kahle Shane first half yakhe.
They are growing in confidence uJaden Adams since ebuyile kule team eMamelodi Sundowns bobuzini. Bonakala ngathi uyasiphakamisa isandla naye uyafuna uya eMexico nase America ngoJune. So far since ebuyile back etimini. Xa nisithi ebuyile, I'm not saying abehambile. I know abanye abantu bangayiva ngenye indlela,
Yeah.
but since he came back wazoreclaima iposition yakhe abekade enayo kwi-Sundowns. Umbona njani so far since ebuyile?
Ilo mshini wena Shane ngutshela yena last week kunemshini weholo ongenile lapha eClorkop. Awubangeneli enhloko Shane uthi ubuyawubona lama chiscope alethe enye into Shane lapha kulabafana. Mawungambheka uzalwe kabusha lo mfana. Ngiyacabanga mawungambheka the wedlala ngakhona umdlalo ofana noJaden. Yilo Jaden esimazi ukuthi uyakwazi wena Shane ucontrol igame. Akawumana waluza amabhola uyakwazi ukudefenda and sometimes akatholakali more as a 8 utholakala as a 6 but la tholakala khona vela akhona adlala as a 8 ukunikeza something and ngibonile Mr Lingi ibhola ngekhanda and it's good ukhumbule ngekhanda umdlalo ofana no Jaden. So for me ngiyacabanga wenza kahle kakhulu. Maybe angacabanga indaba ze World Cup but ngiyacabanga ukuthi manje I concentrated too much kuleya team eMamelodi Sundowns. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi umsebenzi wakho ukuthi ithi ngenze kahle la iteamini okunye kuzoza ngasemuva because the way adlala ngakhona uJaden esimaziyo uJaden eswazi ukuthi uyakwazi ukucontrol igame if bokungasundamani man of the match naye bekakhona ano Aubrey. Shane, I'm very happy ngonchabeling today. What a player Shane. Ungibonise something yokuthi uma ngathola igame time umdlalo ofana noNchabeling kuningi azokwenza ku Sundowns because uma ungambheka ucoach uyamdlalisa bekamdlalisa phakathi phambili kwakatebza no Jaden. Sometimes adlale ngapha ka right but ukunikeza something ungambheka I-creativity unayo and uyakhona une technique. Unfortunately off target ibhola lishayile today but bekaspikhile sport. So Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi na Sundowns idlale kahle kakhulu Shane. The way benze ngakhona you know ukuthi ba understand ukuthi asijaki nix even though iAmazulu ipaka ibhasi azameni ukuthi sizame ukuthi sicontrol igame. At the end of the day Amazulu medlala ivula manje Coach Cardoso give credit to him Shane. Lento ayenzile ukuletha lo yamdlali uMakhiphu Leon alethe strike esifana no Reiners alethe uMthiba. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi more strikers lapha eboxing yilento yenza ukuthi bagcine bangasakwazi ukwenza athatha ama decision right defense eAmazulu. Bebabaningi eboxing but second half balivulile la box because of besebazama ukattack but mawungabheka the way abo Reiners badlale ngakhona.
You check even how the goal was scored.
Exactly, it was the second ball libonile lendile la khona sithola abo Allende kushoba nokuthi the more baba baningi eboxing nabadlali beMamelodi Sundowns bakwazile ukupusha a little bit. So give credit ku Coach Cardoso ukuletha laba abadlali ebenchini abakwazi ukuthi bazomchentshela leya game. Ubabonile abo Allende abo Resino the way bafika ngakhona nabo Reiners bafike babonisa ukuthi guys sifuni win manje. Into ekumele siyenze ukuthi sifuni win because umbonile first half uma adonsa umrena uma lethu Resino nambe ngithi uzofika uResino ayodlala kulela kulo number 10 ukuthi uMatthew Sabu wenzani akafuni uMatthew sasuke kulela side la khona uHanamu uphumela athathe khona la uMaran but now uHanamu beseka wathatha la uMaran because umdlalo ofana noMatthews beseka out and naye Sundowns ifuna ukattack. So give credit Shane ngiyacabanga ukuthi ibench lakhe uintroduce laba abadlali from ebenchini uCoach Cardoso wenza umsebenzi omuhle. Bonke abo Debs I think they played very well Shane. The way badlale ngakhona ukubonisile that character ukuthi guys now ama game ekumele siwawine and if singawina leya game khona umehluko ozoba khona lapha kulokho. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi sibanikeze credit badlali beSundowns. I think benze kahle kakhulu Shane.
Thank you so much Bobzin. Khona ufuna ipause uqhubeka ufuna ivan.
No bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi konje iposition 1 uthi ini ku position 1 ilog ime kanjani?
I don't know, I haven't seen the log.
Ngibona iMan City zo overtake iArsenal lokho sekwenzeka la ekhaya ngathi kuzoyenzeka nase England nje.
Siseko February Bobzin.
I win of February.
Yeah, siseko February
Ngiyavuma
sizawuqhuba up until maybe the last day okanye maybe we don't know. Maybe in April it might be sorted, maybe in May it might be sorted.
But bakulindile lapha eFNB.
Oh,
baqeda ukuluza namhlanje. Bakulindile Shane. Asazi kwenzakalani.
Well, nansi ne-advert seyiqala seyiqala i-advert yeSoweto Derby Saturday at 3:30 the biggest fixture in South African football. Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates FNB is sold out FNB Stadium. That's the only time you'll see FNB igcwele to the fullest. Only when Orlando Pirates is playing Kaizer Chiefs.
Even when Chiefs play Sundowns during the week bakwazi ukugcwalisa. Only Kaizer Chiefs engafila pha lesa stadium ingadlali no Orlando Pirates.
Against Kaizer Chiefs and Sundowns was 75,000.
ngithi ayicala ukugcwalisa istadium
Mhlobam,
Chiefs
mhlobam.
mara ngithi mina lesa
Mhlobam.
stadium lesa ngaphandle kwe-Kaizer Chiefs
Mhlobam.
ayikho enye team engadlala lapha igcwalisa istadium ngaphandle kwe-Chiefs.
Mhlobam, that game,
Yeah.
Sundowns and Chiefs, it was 75,000.
Phela uma bathi sold out basho ukuthi kuphele le number yalamatikithi
Thank you.
abawabekile.
Thank you, Mhlobam.
Hayi
Sold
ukuthi
out.
sikhuluma nge-fill up, sikhuluma
All
nge-sold
right,
out.
I'm saying, Mhlobam, the only teams ezikwazi ukugcwalisa i-FNB Stadium is Orlando Pirates and Kaizer Chiefs.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Bobzin. That's it. Moses Mabhida Stadium is AmaZulu 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. Deep Mamelodi Sundowns are top of the Betway Premiership. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi bafethu, Amakhosi for life, they are back in winning ways. Please, siyacela ukuthi subscribe Itiski TV.